Hi, in this video, let me show you how you can record your Fire TV stick on your computer. You can record anything, any apps that you can open will get recorded. If you want to record a Netflix show, you can do this, anything. All you need is a video capture card, and I'll show you how everything works. It only takes a few minutes to set up this thing. Let me show you. So what do we need to record our Fire Stick? Well, we need a video capture card that is USB so that we can connect it to our PC or Mac computer. These are not very expensive. I actually bought one of the least expensive one. I'll put a link towards Amazon if you want to get one, if you don't already own one. Basically, what this does is that it will capture the image coming from the Fire TV stick, and we will be able to record this image using a Mac or PC. It's not very complicated. So if we take a quick look at this device, we're gonna have, and most of them will have these ports, okay? You're gonna have one output HDMI and one input HDMI. You need to take the Fire TV stick and connect it into the input HDMI. Next, okay, over here in the output, you're going to connect an HDMI cable in the back of your TV where you usually connect your Fire TV stick. Okay, instead of plugging this, you're going to plug a HDMI cable in the port in the back. And the other end of this cable will go in the output HDMI of the capture card. If we turn it around, this model also have headphones and microphone, but we won't use them. It comes included in the box with a USB cable that we need to connect in the USB port. And then connect the other end of the USB cable, okay, in your computer. I will use a Mac in this video, but again, just follow the same steps. It's identical for a PC. This Mac doesn't have any USB type A connectors. I will connect it to an adapter so I have a USB type C. So let me do this. And of course your Fire TV sticks needs power to work, so I'll just connect a USB cable over here and connect the other end of the USB in a power outlet like this one so that the Fire TV sticks powers on. If you see a message appearing asking you if you want to allow your capture card, click on allow. Next, we need to download a software called OBS. It's free and honestly, it's the best for this purpose. So I'll open Safari. I'll type on the top over here on the search bar OBS Studio. Click on download. Select the Apple logo, go down, and here we have two choices. The download installer if you have an Apple computer using an Intel processor, or if you have one with a silicone chip, Apple silicone, click on the second option. And this is what I will do. Click allow. Okay, it's currently downloading. If I go over here, I can see it. Click on the file you just downloaded. Then we're going to drag this OBS logo into the application folder and it will get installed. Open OBS. On a Mac, to search for it, you're going to click on the magnifying glass here. On a PC, you're going to get a magnifying glass down, a search bar down below. Type OBS. It will appear in the search results and I will click on it. Over here, they will ask you to give permission to the software. You simply have to click access granted here. But for the other ones, you can leave them the way they are. Press continue. The software will open. Press allow here. Click on optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming. And press next. Press next. Apply all settings. For the next step, we need to add the video capture card that we have here. And before that, what I suggest is that you turn on your TV, then select the HDMI port where you have connected the cable over here on your capture card. So in my case, it's HDMI 1 that I'll select the Fire Stick. Perfect. So this is what's going on the Fire Stick currently with all my apps and stuff. Let's go back to the computer. You're gonna click on the left side on the plus symbol and select Video Capture Device. Press OK. Select Device and select your video capture card you have connected. Mine is called USB to video. Yours may have a different name if you have another brand. Simply click on it, click Allow. And as you see right now, I'm seeing exactly what's happening on my Fire TV stick. So this is great. Press OK. And now before pressing the start recording, what I suggest you click on settings. And we have a few things that we need to check. First of all, go in output. And over here, you're going to see under recording in which folder your recordings will go on your computer. So you can press browse and change to a folder that you prefer. Let me select desktop instead. Then if you go down, you can also select in which format you want the recording to be. Next in this menu, by clicking audio, under mic auxiliary audio, by default, it only says default. What I suggest is you click on it and you select your capture card. This way, the audio of your Fire TV that gets captured by the capture card will also be recorded. It will be audio and video. If you want to do a commentary, if you have a YouTube channel, maybe you want to talk over whatever is being recorded on your Fire TV stick, click over here under it and select your USB mic if you have one connected to your computer, or the internal mic of your computer. I don't want to do this, so I won't select it, but that's an option. Then if you click on video, you'll also be able to select in which resolution and how many frames per second it will get recorded. Press OK, and once you're ready, okay, you can open any apps at this moment on your Fire TV, Netflix, Disney Plus, whatever you want to record, all right? And you're gonna press Start Recording. And here you go, you even have a small timer over here going up, telling you that it's currently recording, and you also have your volume that you can check. So yeah, open the app, and once you're done doing this recording thing, simply press on Stop Recording. And you see it went directly on my desktop. Now I can open it, and here we go. I don't know if you hear, but yeah, it recorded with audio as well. So this is about it. I know there's many videos, many tutorials on YouTube telling you how to do it on your Fire TV stick, and they all not work. The only reliable way is by using a video capture card and a computer. As you see, it's not very complicated. Again, I'll put links in the description towards Amazon if you want to get one of these cards. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.